Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to split a large archive into smaller parts using PeaZip. First, open PeaZip on your Windows computer. At the top of the PeaZip window, click the Add button. PeaZip provides different options for creating and managing archives. When working with a large archive, you may want to divide it into smaller parts. This can make large files easier to transfer, upload, or store. In the archive settings, look for the Custom Size option. The Custom Size option allows you to choose the size of each part according to your needs. For example, instead of creating one very large archive, you can divide it into several smaller volumes. You can enter a custom size based on how large you want each part to be. The number of parts will depend on the total size of the archive and the custom size you choose. When the archive is split, PeaZip creates multiple parts that belong to the same archive. It is important to keep all of the parts together. When you want to extract the files later, you will normally need all the parts. If one part is missing, the complete archive may not be extracted successfully. This feature is useful when you need to move a large archive using smaller file sizes. So with PeaZip, you can use the custom size option to divide a large archive into smaller parts. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more easy Windows tutorials.